How to turn off Reels on Facebook. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you a few ways to reduce or hide Facebook Reels on your iPhone or Android phone. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Facebook tutorials. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Now go to the Reels page from the top. Once on the Reels, tap on the three dots on the reel. From the menu, tap on Hide Reel. Facebook will start showing you fewer reels like that in your feed. Keep in mind, Facebook currently doesn't offer a full setting to completely disable all reels permanently. Another thing you can do is go to your profile by tapping on the top left. Now tap on the three lines and select Settings and Privacy to open settings. Once in settings, tap on Tab Bar and choose Customize the bar. From there, tap on Reels and select Hide. What this will do is remove Reels section from your homepage. And that's it. That's how you can turn off Reels on Facebook.